How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode we have new lights for the Honda Accord. In this case we want to work on the brake lights. A company reached out to me. They sent me this. We have the two lights right here. One is gonna be the turn signals on the front. One is gonna be brake lights on the rear. Auxlight. In these ones we have 7440, 7443s, and this is gonna be flashing lights for the brakes. The other ones, they're gonna be 1157s. That's gonna be switchbacks for the front. So these ones, they're gonna be white when they're on, and they're gonna start flashing amber when you put your turn signals or your hazards. I'm gonna get to these ones in a minute. For now, we're gonna work on the brake lights. You guys know that on some cases, and most of the cases, you need resistors. In my case, I already have resistors here on the back. You need to get that too. If you get your flashing lights only, what's gonna happen is gonna be that your light on your dash is gonna be on, meaning that you're gonna need resistors to eliminate that light on the dash. Here on the back, you guys already know we have resistors for the brake lights. So we're just gonna remove the light. And this is the resistor that I have on my Accord right now. So this is the stack connector, then the resistor, and the connector from the resistor. Connect it. If it doesn't work, remove it, flip it, and connect it again. So on this one, we're just gonna plug it in, press on the brakes, and see if it works. So the first time I connected, it didn't do anything. I removed the light, flip it, and connect it again, and then start working. If you see, it's gonna flash 5 times, and then it's gonna stay on. I'm gonna grab all our connections, put it inside, and put the light. And if you can see, they're really bright. So I like these new LEDs that I have on the Accord. They look really good. When you have resistors, you know that these ones they get really hot. So make sure that they don't touch anything. Put them somewhere where they're not gonna touch anything, because they can get really hot. Okay, so everything is in place on this side. And they're really bright. So same thing on the other side. I don't need to show you that it's the same thing. Just remove your stock bulb, put your new LED, and then we can move to the front for the turn signals on the front. If you can see, the lights are small, but they're really bright. I like them. That's a really good way to keep you safe. Let everybody know on the back that you're braking. You guys know that to get to the turn signals on the front, you have to remove your bumper. I'm not gonna remove it all the way. You just have to remove the bolting here and some clips on the bottom. That's all I did. I don't wanna get it all the way out. I just need to get access to the turn signal, which is right here. This is the connector for the turn signal. In this case, I'm not gonna put the resistor yet. I'm gonna see if I need it, because sometimes you don't. This is the new light, quality is amazing. I know they're super bright. You have LEDs on the side. You have 3 LEDs in here and 4 more inside, so you have plenty of lighting on these ones. Let me put the turn signals. Hopefully we don't need resistors, but if we do need them, I'm going to show you how to put them on. Yeah, it's flashing fast for the turn signals, so we're going to have to put resistors. To put the resistors, we have these little connectors, quick connectors. One side goes on the cable for the resistor, the other one on the cable for the turn signal, and the other one is gonna go on the green cable and the other one on the black cable. One side on the green, one side on the black. It's gonna slow down the signal. This is the only inconvenience, that you have to put resistors, so you have to splice cables. It's not really bad, but at the same time, we put the connector in there. Then we want to grab the resistor, put it inside. Then we want to clamp it down until you pinch the cables. So one side is done. Then we're just gonna close it. We repeat the same process for the green cable. So that's the turn signal, and with the resistor, we slow down the signal. That's all you gotta do. But remember, you have to put the splice. But remember, you have to put the resistor on the green and on the black, not the red one. And when you stop your turn signal, it goes white. Now that all that is done, we just gotta put the light back on. Make sure that you don't have any cable exposed. If you need to put some electrical tape, do that now, so you don't have any wires exposed, and put your light back inside. Okay guys, so everything is done. Now let's see the end result. If you can see, they look really good, and those are the new switchbacks for the turn signal. And on the back, we have the flashing brake lights. So guys, that's all I have for this episode. Link is gonna be in the description for both, and remember, you're gonna need resistors for this installation. So guys, I hope you like this episode. If you have any questions, guys, please comment down below, and I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.